So friends, today's question is, if a pizza factory wants to convert the circular shape pizza whose circumference is 308 centimeter into square shaped pizza, then find the side of the square shaped pizza. So basically a pizza factory want to convert its circular shape pizza into square shape pizza. Fine. And the circumference of the circular pizza is 308. So we have given that circumference is 308 centimeter. Fine. So we need to find the side, we need to find the length of the side of the square shaped pizza. How can we do that? So we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 308. Fine. Now we can find the r of the circular shaped pizza. So which is, we can put the value of pi and then r, which is 308. We can send all the values to the right side. So yeah, 7 upon में 2 into, yes, just divided. So 156. Now what can we do now? 11, and it will be 78. What can we do more? And after this we have to we can send all these values to right side. So r will be 308 multiply 7 upon में 2 into this. Now just divided it. So we will get 54 and 22 7 ja this. So 7 7 ja, which is 49. So we got the radius 77. So this will be 77 as well. So the diagonal diameter will be how much? 49. It should be 49, and it should be 49. So now the diameter will be 2r, which is 98. Got it? So diameter is basically 98. So which is the diagonal of the square? So we can say diagonal is 98 centimeter. Now we can consider this as a right angle triangle. Fine. And we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the side of the square shaped pizzas. So how can we do that? So according to Pythagoras theorem, fine. So what is that? If this is A and this is B and this is C, if this is A, B and C, so we know given that AC square will be AB square, hypotenuse square will be perpendicular square plus base square. Now put the value of AC. AC is basically the diagonal, which is 98 square, and this will be how much? Suppose this is AX. If I let the value of the side of the square is x, and this will be also x, because all the sides of the square are equal. So x square plus x square. Fine. So this will be 98 square and it will be 2x square. Now if we solve it further, just find the square of the 98 and divide by 2, and then find the square root of the value after dividing by 2. So we'll get around x will be around 69.296 something. Fine. So this will be the side of the square shaped pizza. So we can keep it as 69 approx. or we can keep as 69.3 centimeter approximate. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can find the side of the square shaped pizza. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.